Hello my lovely friends and welcome back to new painting with me. So today I make bicycle painting and begin with first step is to making background. So firstly I will apply green with mix white and I using flat brush. I moving my brush in circle of direction for making simple background. So the background is completely when you can moving on the second step, that is painting a leaf. So I will pick her dark green color on my round brush. So the second step is completely. Now moving on the third step is paint the fence. So we can always draw this just using a pencil scale and just take out a white color on flat brush to create simple fence like this. Alright, when this step is completely, so fourth step is paint the bicycle in here and we can always draw these just using a pencil scales and I using round brush to create a simple bicycle like this. The last step is making colorful flowers and butterfly is added on painting, so I can use round brush is to making simple flowers and butterfly make them. The painting is ready. I will hope you can very enjoy this video with me.